In this video, I'm going to show you how to save all of your Snapchat stories or Snap to your phone gallery. Now, first, what you want to do is open up Snapchat. Once Snapchat has opened, you want to click on the camera icon. From there, you want to click on this bottom left gallery looking thingy, and then unfortunately, you have to do this manually for every photo. Now, let's say I select this and all of my snaps. Now, it will take some time. There's now a button like select everything. You can only select one by one photo. But once you have selected everything, you can then create your own story with like all of these pictures you have added and publish it. But if you want to save it to our camera roll, you just want to click on this export button, and once you have clicked on it, just click on download, and all of the images you have selected are now saved to your photo gallery. To double check that, go to your photos, and as you can see, those 3 images were saved. But for stories, you can't do it this way. You have to go in and then manually download each photo, unfortunately. But for the snaps, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.